Dear customers and friends, traditionally at this time of the year, we like to take a moment to reflect on the past year and also look forward to what the coming year might bring. As expected, 2022 proved to be quite a challenging year. The disturbance of the worldwide supply chain was further aggravated by the conflict in Eastern Europe, which not only had a high human price, but which also resulted in soaring energy prices and more logistical issues. Despite our teams in the plants and in the markets doing their best to limit the consequences of these factors for our customers to the absolute minimum, we were unfortunately not always able to prevent delays. We would like to apologize for this and hope that you can understand that the problems we faced were much of the time out of our hands. There were, of course, also many positive events in 2022, and these by far outweighed the negative ones. Traveling restrictions were eased again, and for the first time in several years, we were able to participate in ITM in Istanbul and ITME in New Delhi. It was a real pleasure for us to meet and greet customers in person again. Other highlights of our year were revamping our showroom, an event we organized for our European customers, and the industrial production of the Connect generation machines that took off in April. Meanwhile, PiConnect, our customer portal, was successfully launched. So far, over 350 customers have registered. And last, but definitely not least, we started the construction of our new head office in Ypres, which will be ready in 2024. Looking ahead to 2023, our first thoughts go to ITMA Milano, which is scheduled for June. With this in mind, our R&D teams are fine-tuning the last details of the innovations that will be revealed at this important event. We are thrilled by what they have shown us so far, and we can't wait to share it with you. What the global economy will bring in 2023 remains uncertain. But when times are challenging and the future isn't clear, we believe there are always two possible ways to react. Either you look for shelter and wait for the storm to blow over, or, despite everything, you keep investing, keep planning, and keep looking for growth. At Picanol, we prefer the second approach. Because the secret that helps us to keep going and growing is confidence. Having confidence is not the same as thinking nothing bad can happen. It is believing that you will be able to handle everything that is put in front of you. Confidence can't be bought, but you can help it grow by being supported and surrounded by the right people. And we are looking forward to continuing to support you in 2023. Our weaving machines and services offer you every opportunity to shape your future, whatever that future might be. So I hope we can look forward to 2023 with confidence together. On behalf of the entire Picanol team, I would like to wish you all a healthy, happy, successful and confident new year.